Can't get up.
Okay, so he pushed you against like the metal stuff.
Yeah. Man, that shit hurts. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah, because it fucking hurts.
Right, so you were trying to get away. He grabbed you by the face.
Because I was screaming, like, let me fucking. I was telling you, I was screaming rape and stuff. That's what he did like that. Okay. So I was trying to get someone to help me so I can get out of here.
And at what point did he push your head into that? Was that before or after?
Oh, God. It was after I tried to leave because he grabbed me back. And slammed me up to the wall.
Okay.
So I could go.
So he slammed you into the wall, not the ground.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I misunderstood.
But he took my face when I was screaming because he had me up against the wall.
Okay.
And then he took my mouth and he pushed me down.
And then he pushed you down to the ground.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you.
Did you need to see my ID? Because I just found my little wallet.
Did I see your ID?
Do you need to see it?
No, I've got it.
Okay.
I've already got all your info.
Okay.
You don't have a phone, correct?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. And I'm going to try to use this.
All right. So this is a domestic violence pamphlet. All right. He's going to go to jail. All right. In the call note, somebody mentioned that a female was screaming something about rape. Did that happen, or?
No, but I needed somebody to help me because he would not.
So you did that to get him away?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in here, you can get an injunction for protection. I highly recommend you do that. It's free because it's domestic. You're also going to have some resources here listed and phone numbers on the back. It's the date, case number, and my name. Okay. Just hang tight, and we're going to go take care of that, and we'll come right back here, okay? Because it's right around the corner, right? Right? Okay. Hey, Mr. Carter.
Yes, sir.
Can you come talk to me a little more?
Oh, here we go. What do I do now? For real, y'all gonna... I didn't do anything, man. I promise you I didn't.
Yeah. Come over here and talk to me then.
Yeah, you gonna cuff me?
Yep.
Why? I didn't do anything, man.
Relax.
I didn't do anything. Why are we doing this?
Because you're under arrest.
For what?
For domestic battery.
Why?
Well, we'll explain that here in a minute.
Why? What'd I do?
Is this your phone?
It is.
Okay, we'll get your phone.
In my backpack. What'd I do, man?
Domestic battery.
I didn't do it, though.
Stop
Can you
turning.
please get my backpack?
Yes.
I didn't do nothing, sir.
Okay. You got him? Mm-hmm. Where's your backpack?
Right there. Right there. For real?
Yes, for real.
I didn't do anything, though.
Right. I'm going to pull my car around here.
Okay.
If you want to stay
I didn't do
temporarily.
nothing. Why y'all arrested me?
I'll explain to you here in a moment.
Oh, you're doing this wrong, though. I didn't do nothing.
Okay. I will explain everything to you momentarily.
Yeah, why? What I do, though, you're not understanding. I didn't do nothing. I called you.
That doesn't matter. 1-8 is about over 15. Searching real quick.
Why y'all doing this, man? I didn't do nothing. Why you arresting me? I didn't do nothing, man.
You'll have an opportunity to talk to me, okay? Lift your hands. Thank you. Spread your feet. Yeah, double up, please. You're gonna lean forward for me, and we're gonna get those fit adjusted. take your watch off to make it a little easier. Does this come off too? You're good. Put all your jewelry in the bag, okay?
Why are we arresting me? I ain't do nothing, man.
Let's go to the back seat here. You got a mic? Mm-hmm. Thanks.
God damn it, man.
Okay, all this is completely separate than what we spoke about earlier, okay? That being in mind, due to the new statements that were provided.
What statements?
I'm going to get to that. I'm going to read you your Miranda warning, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you?
I do.
All right. Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me?
Sure.
Okay. What was that?
I said, sure.
Okay. So, what you told me happened earlier doesn't really match up with what I'm seeing, okay?
What do you mean, what you're seeing? I told you. She was running down the road, hitting herself in the head and everything, slapping me, punching me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's not really consistent with what I'm seeing, though.
What do you mean?
I mean what I told you.
What do you see?
Well, I see injuries consistent with being struck by
Where?
another person.
Huh? Where?
On her.
It wasn't me.
Who could it have been?
I told you she was running. The officer that I called, I told her she was running away, punching herself, slapping herself, saying she was going to call along, saying that I was trying to rape her. And I wasn't doing nothing wrong to her.
She never once made any of the allegations whenever I spoke with her about
Whatever, I'm telling you what she did, man.
Okay.
And you're going to arrest me because of my record. That's what you're doing.
I have no idea what your record is. I'm arresting you based on my observations and the statements that were provided.
Sir, I swear to God, I didn't do nothing.
Okay. Just hang tight for me, okay?
There's no witness.
I don't need a witness, okay?
I didn't do it, though. I didn't do it.
Okay, but
I promise you I didn't do it, man.
so the problem I have is you're saying one thing, but I'm seeing another thing.
What is the... But I just told you, she was hitting herself. She was hitting me. She punched it all on me, slapping me, kicking me, everything. And she hit herself, running away. So, and I did that? You're telling me I did it because she said it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're
Based
saying
on-
I did it because she said it.
Based on
But I'm
evidence.
telling you, I didn't do it. She's hitting herself.
Okay.
And you keep arresting me. Why? She's hitting herself.
I've never once arrested you. This is the first time I've arrested
I'm telling you, arrested me now because she said that I did it,
Lean
and
forward.
I told you I didn't
you. Show
do
me your
it.
hands.
My hands are right there. I didn't got no marks on them, sir. Nothing.
Yeah, you did. All right.
Where? The sword?